Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing a thermostat. This is a model LUX ELV4. This is not going on the central heating supply of the house. This is going to go on a baseboard heater in one of the rooms, and it's run on 240 volts of electricity. This was given to me. I'm pretty sure it works. It's got a couple of dip switches on the back for changing the temperature reading from Fahrenheit to Celsius, and also it's got one to change the clock from a 12-hour clock to a 24-hour clock. So I have it set for Fahrenheit and the 12-hour clock. And I don't know what this switch is for, heat and off. But it's got two sets of wires. There's a line wire and a load wire. So the line is what's coming out from your electrical panel, and the load is a wire going to the appliance. So before I install it, I have to determine which is which. I didn't get any documentation with it, but I went on the internet and printed out this page. It's got installation instructions. Tells what the maximum wattage it could take. I have a Intertherm baseboard heater that's 1,500 watts, and this does fit within the parameters of the maximum load for the thermostat. So this thermostat does have a battery pack. Get that to open. Inside here it's got the settings. You could set it to program it for weekdays and weekends and set the time. And then here is two AA batteries. Now I set the time on this the other day, and the time is off because it's certainly not 6:55, but it reads the current temperature and the set temperature. So this switch is for the summertime. You switch it to off in the summer, and then the winter, when you wanted to turn the heater on when needed, set it to heat. So this video is for entertainment purposes only. You should hire a professional electrician to install it for you. Do not attempt to do it yourself. I believe this works for single pole and double pole applications, so I have capped off the leads for L2, which would be the second pole. I'm pretty sure I only need these two. About a year ago, our electrical utility was giving out thermostats for power consumption savings, and I went to install it and I found that it wasn't compatible. When I checked on it, they told me I had a 2-wire system, and the thermostat was set up for a 3-wire system. I don't know what the third wire is for, but when I got this, I was actually going to give it away. I didn't think I needed it, but then I noticed that this is compatible with a 2-wire system, so I'm going to hook it up and see if it works. And the reason why I'm changing the thermostat, not because I need to program it, I just keep it set on one setting all the time. But my other thermostat just has a rotary knob to turn it to adjust. And you just crack it a fraction, and it throws the temperature off moves it up or down about 5 degrees. So it's almost impossible to control it to a comfortable setting. So with this digital setting, I can set it by 1 degree increments. I think it'd be easier for me to keep the room at a comfortable temperature. I'm purposely not disconnecting the power at the breaker right now because I need to probe the live wires. So I'm going to use this Fluke Volt Alert because I need to know which is a live wire coming from the power panel, and that's going to be my live lead. Just got to be careful not to touch anything with my bare hands. And I'm certainly not going to touch that adjustment knob because the new thermostat doesn't work and I put this one back in. I want to keep it on this setting. Okay, I'm showing it's hot at both the black and the red. So I think what I need to do is cut the power at the panel, disconnect the connectors, and turn it on and try it again. Typically, the black or red wires are used for the line or the hot wires, and white or gray wires are used for the neutral wires. But I'm going to try to test it anyway. Thermostat is off and the power is on. Black is hot and the white is hot, so I'm just going to have to go by the color coding. Go back and turn the power off. Okay, power is off. Black is hot. The red is marked as in. And the black wire is marked as out, which goes here. There's no neutral wire on this thermostat, so I'm just going to tuck it in. Let's get a wire nut. Give it the pull test. Tuck all this stuff in there. Okay, power is on. Let's set it for, well, it's on run. So let me turn the temperature up. Okay, I got it up to 85. This is great, it's working, I can feel the heat. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.